Hello guys, it is me, Christine. Today we are going to unbox something.
Well, hopefully that's the one. So let me cut first. Give me.
Yeah.
There's the scissors.
La 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 la. Wait. Big brain. Does this work?
No, I don't think
It
so.
does work.
Okay,
It's
here,
working. Okay, fine.
Hold it.
I'm scared. Mom, please. No. No, I'm not getting close to that
Okay.
thing.
Well, hopefully.
Boom.
Okay.
Boom.
You can open it and we'll see. Stop. Oh, the one from my work too is
Here.
did come, so that's good.
So we'll try. Oh, nothing else in there?
It
No.
is a size, adult size, because she's already been wearing my stuff. So,
Yeah.
no, don't pull it.
It's
All
a
right,
size small. It's a size small.
over here, bud. Don't pull it, Christine. Okay, don't take anything yet.
Let's see. This is my beautiful new Jackie.
I cannot see you.
I'm sorry. This is my beautiful new Jackie.
She picked it out a black one.
Because there was no favorite color.
Oh my God, it's so soft.
And it's also a bit long on me, but we're good.
Okay, let me see. Not. Oh my God,
Not too bad if I do say so myself.
That's why it's perfect for you. Not too bad for the small, huh? And this is adult size, guys, because she always wear my.
Because
My
she's
stuff?
too short. She's short.
And-
She's short.
And that's so rude.
Sorry.
And here you go. So she's small on adult size. Here you go. So now you have. Why I bought you this?
Because my old jacket doesn't zipper up anymore.
And
I need a new one.
because it's too cold.
And also because it doesn't, and my jacket doesn't zipper up anymore.
That's right. And someone don't buy you, right?
We're not
buy.
gonna.
Who always buys stuff,
Inconclusive.
right?
This
It's
is
so
gonna
soft.
be inconclusive
Alright,
answer.
so there you go. It says this is like 32-degree heat packable, but they didn't give you like where to pack. Where is it? Yeah, it's supposed to have that. Look, maybe it's on the
Yeah. There's a
it's
few different
supposed to be
things.
packable, but they didn't give us
I
where to.
think it's.
Is there something that they can? Did they give you a bag?
No.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, and
I
then
think I know what they mean by packable. Anyways, that's mom's can.
alright, can you? No, wait. I do that.
Cut that off.
I will. Don't pull it. Okay, can you open mine too?
Sure.
I just
Are you
wanna
only
show-
saying that because I did so good in opening mine?
This is gonna be under
so
my
soft.
under my
Mom, feel it.
scrub.
It
because
is
I'm always. Oh no. Can you
crazily
hold it like this?
soft. It is crazily soft.
I want you to plot it, and I
You
need to
guys
see it.
don't even know how soft this is.
Oh wow, medium is small, huh? But it's okay. It's gonna be under my scrub, scrubby wobby. That's
Under
good.
her scrubby wubbies.
So now I know that the size is good, so I can get more.
So
I only get, and it's not bad because it's on sale, guys. So I only got blue and gray, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you say
Mhm.
bye.
Boy, we're gonna do the cutting of tags
Alright,
now.
bye guys.
Wait, can't I just watch
and guys,
you do
it's
the
really
epic
soft.
cutting
And
of tags?
again, this is a
These are the most
brand-
soft.
the brand name is 32 degrees. All right,
And it's really soft.
it's really soft, and this is so lightweight. But is it warm?
Yeah.
And Christine can tell you about that when she wear it outside when it's too cold. Okay, Christine?
I'm gonna wear
For
it
the
like
update.
today.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Okay, bye guys. Have a great day.